In the next 10 minutes, you'll watch an AI named Claude do 4 real things for you. No tech background needed. This is my AI assistant. She's going to walk you through it. I'll jump back in along the way.
Hi, I'm Layla. Let's keep this simple. If you can text a friend, you can use Claude. Follow along. Claude is an AI assistant made by a company called Anthropic. Think of it as a really capable helper you talk to in plain English. You'll find it at Claude.com. The app lives at Claude AI on your phone, your laptop, even right on your desktop. And here's the part people miss: you can start for free. No credit card to try it. Thing number 1. It's the world's most patient assistant. Watch. I'll ask it something a regular person actually needs. 30 seconds, done. And you're not stuck with the first try. Just tell it, make it shorter, or sound nicer, and it adjusts. Needed to read a document? Drag the file right in and ask questions about it. On your phone, you can even tap the microphone and just talk to it, out loud, hands-free.
Okay, that's the part most folks already know. Here's where it gets fun, and where most people have no idea Claude can do this.
Thing number 2. Claude doesn't just tell you, it builds for you. It's a feature called artifacts. You describe what you want, and Claude designs and writes it, no coding, ever. Watch. That's a real, working tool, made from one sentence. People build budgeting tools, study flashcards, little games, even simple web pages. And you can share it with a link. Whoever opens it just uses it. This is on every plan, including free. Thing number 3, and this one's brand new. It's called Claude Cowork. Instead of just chatting, Claude rolls up its sleeves and does multi-step work with the files right on your computer, organizing folders, turning a messy spreadsheet into a clean report, building a slide deck from your notes. It's the kind of power developers had, now pointed at everyday work. It's still early, a research preview, and it comes with the pro plan. But this is the direction everything's heading. You describe the job, Claude does it. Thing number 4. Claude can work inside your web browser. With Claude in Chrome, it sees the tab you're on and helps you get things done on the page, pulling info, filling things out, walking a task through, while you watch. It's in beta, on the paid plans, and yes, it asks before it does anything that matters. You stay in control. 2 quick bonuses. If you ever want to build software, there's Claude Code, but you don't need it to get value here. And Claude now lives inside Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook, so it can help write in the tools you already use every day.
That's the whole thing. Claude can answer, build, work your files, and run your browser. Pick one and try it this week.
Start free. Use the chat for a week. When you catch yourself wishing it could do more, Pro is the easy yes. Quick heads up, some links below are affiliate links, so we may earn a small commission at no cost to you, and this video uses AI avatars, including me. I'll be here. Stay curious.